Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the gold drop 0.3% against the dollar. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The pound fell 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair fell 0.3% in the last session. The stochastic indicator indicates an overbought market.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
World leaders will gather in Paris this week with ambitions to reimagine global financing for a new era shaped by climate change, as a cascade of crises swamps debt-burdened countries. The UK subsidiary of the world's largest crypto exchange has cancelled its registration with the Financial Conduct Authority. Binance's deregistration with the FCA did not have an operational impact, as it had never done business in the United Kingdom, the firm said. Tesla is once again approaching the symbolic threshold of $1 trillion in market capitalization, which it first reached in October 2021, and no other automaker is close. Toyota has a market value of nearly $224 billion, while Volkswagen has a market capitalization of close to $80 billion.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Australia's RBA meeting minutes will be released at 0130 GMT. Finland's unemployment rate at 0600 Japan's capacity utilization at 0430 GMT. Germany's producer price index will be released at 0600 hours GMT. The US housing starts at 1230 GMT. The US Red Book index at 1255 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.